Right. St Just. No. St Ives to St Just Road. I sounded really square then, didn't I? St Ives to St Just Road. See what trouble I can get myself into. These are the continuing adventures of the road knight. The continuing bloody adventures of road knight. I don't know what I'm doing an Australian accent. Bloody bastard. I've noticed on some of my recordings there's a little vibrational noise, and I'm kind of seduced that it might be the camera mount, so I've tightened that up. Hopefully there'll be not much or no vibration on this video. Down a gear. Traffic swarming. Lovely. Tourism. That's weird, for some reason I have air conditioning blowing on my feet. Not entirely unpleasant. Do listen to you entirely. Balnoon! I've just gone past Balnoon. I don't know, some of the names down here. I swear there's a name up in Liskeard called Chewbacca. I know it's not, but it sounds like it. All going the same way, are we? I wouldn't even think of trying to get into St Ives right now. I bet this is where all they're getting. Everyone here, I bet they're all going to St Ives. Including Boy Racer there. Going for a pose around St Ives. Is it my turn? It's my turn, isn't it? Yes. Then I'll go. I don't know how long this one's going to be. Probably as long as my memory lasts. On the phone, not my memory. That's gone, that's shot, that is. Having trouble remembering my own name these days. Hillstown. By hills from this town. tomorrow they said it's going to be up in the 30s. Well, at least 31, which is getting a little bit naughty, really. Yesterday was 80 degrees in the back garden. My sister and brother love this weather. They'll sit in the back garden with a bottle of cooking oil, smothering themselves. Fry me! Fry me! And you're all going St. Ives. Brilliant. But I'm not. I'm going to creep up here. And lost and turning around. Oh, you want to go out this way, mate? It's beautiful. It's nice. Bumpy. It's nice. Well, they've resurfaced the road. Isn't that nice? Smooth. Except for that bit there. Bit of geology here. All of this landscape out here is granite because at one point a long time ago this was on the bottom of the seabed, so that's why it looks the way it does. Hopefully we won't bump into any tourists. We probably will, going about 5 to 10 miles an hour because they don't know where they're going. We'll probably meet one of the tourist double-decker buses coming the other way, trying to get down a really narrow lane made for one vehicle, so that'll be fun. A lot of foxgloves are out. That's those purple flowers on the side of the road. Lovely flowers. The thing is, you can't go too fast along here because you don't know when you're going to round a corner and then there's a couple of cyclists in the middle of the road. A little bit overcast, which is a shame. Bumps, 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 bumps. Oh, I lived out here, I did. Quite a few miles from here. Nice place. Just the neighbours were a bit crap. Sometimes, a bit further on along this road, you'll get horses, wild horses, which kind of freaks tourists out when they come to them because they're usually stood in the middle of the road. So there's nothing you can do. They're so used to cars, if you beep at them, they just don't do anything. So you've got to thread your way through them, and they just stand there. Don't care. Nothing out at sea. There's a little tiny boat over there, but nothing big. We had the G7 in St Ives. There was a carrier out there, aircraft carrier. I don't know if it was American, but certainly big. Sometimes it gets a little bit Lord of the Rings out here. I half expect to see Gandalf riding his white horse across the fields. Hello, Mr. Van. This is Zenner. Little village. Bit here. Some tents up over there. I don't know what's going on over there. Well, I haven't met one of these buses yet, so that's a good thing. Got to take it slowly because you'll get people from up country and they'll thrash their cars through here. imagine, thinking about that Tesla back there, imagine if you had a Tesla and you was out here and you ran out of charge. Oh god. Well, stupid thought really, it was just the same if you ran out of fuel, wouldn't it? You'd be buggered. Right. See if we meet anyone along here. Nope. That yellow place over there, that's I think it's a pub and a hotel. I think there might be a restaurant in there as well, I'm not sure. Sun's coming back out. So we're not far from Penzance. You can actually come in through the back way of Penzance. On this road, which is what we're going to do. Two people enjoying the Gurnard's Head. And there it is, a bus. And you must think that people on Cornish Council, you know, Penwith Council, they must say, right, let's find the biggest vehicle we've got and shove it down some of the smallest lanes that we have, where there'll be oncoming traffic. And a tractor. There's another tractor! No, he's going to have to pull in and we're going to have to go on, because otherwise that ain't going to work. Oh, the fun! The fun of country living! He didn't want to scratch his car up, that's what it is. Bit too close to the heather! Scottish, by the way. Scotland. This is a nice place. It's an old farm. Still a working farm, I think. Oathmere Farm. Oh, there's holiday cottages. Did not know that. Shows how observant I am, because I've driven past here countless times, and this man in the car in front is probably wondering, why is he talking to himself? A nutter behind me. I got a nutter behind me. Tell he's a tourist. I'm scared of everything. Right, sorry about the vibration here, but cattle grate, or cattle grid. I'm just going to slow down so I can speed up over it. The faster you go over these things, the better. Lovely. Well, yeah. 23 miles an hour. Definitely a tourist. Ah! Follow me! I know where I'm going. Your boot's open. And there's a bike right behind you. I think I might have been doing a bit of filming because I saw people stuffed into the boot with a camera. Well, no horses. Normally the wild horses are here on the road. Selling drugs. No, they're just here on the road. old mine there to the right. These are all over Cornwall. Another cattle grid, last one. You can't say I'm not giving you good vibrations on this video. Little narrow bit. Gently, gently. Lovely. This would be lovely if you had an electric bike. On a clear day from here you can see the Scilly Isles, and yes, they're called the Scilly Isles. There's some islands about 30 miles off the coast of Cornwall. Can't see them today, it's not quite clear enough. This is going to be a mother to upload. And I think I'll drive to Trewellard, turn off, head into Penzance, just before Penzance, conclude the video. Look at big words, conclude. Get me. All these houses out here, they're at least, well, 200-300 years old. History lesson as well now. I'm getting everything on this video. Gardening, history, geography. Alright, I'm not going to run you over. Alright. Right, this is the fun bit. Normally here is where you meet the buses and the tractors. Really want to spend too long here, so just zip along here. And meet a car. See, luckily it's a wide point, so no problems. Been listening to my past videos or watching them, reviewing them. And I am half Cornish, the other half of me is Lancashire. And at parts I do kind of sound like Samwise Ganges. I'm desperately trying not to. I don't know why, it's nothing bad about it. I've been told that I don't really have an accent. But I don't. Oh, big ditch, big ditch, big ditch. Gone gloomy again now. Roadworks. What do they do it? Oh right, just that. Right, well that was that bit of Lord of the Ringsy landscapey type thingy. I think we're not far from coming into Trewellard now. So if my memory will let me, I'll carry on the video for another 10 minutes. There's pretty flowers. Pretty flowers. Yeah, Trewellard's just up here. Like I said to someone not long ago, I thought I'd start doing these videos, you know, what can you lose? Because I'd be doing this even if I wasn't videoing it. That's hard to say that, videoing it. I like driving, and there are some beautiful places down here in Cornwall, and while the weather's nice, it's nice to be out in it. So, you know, I like nature. So why don't I video my little travels? Don't know if I'm any good at it. Right, well, if I can get through there. I can reverse. But yeah, I don't know if I'm any good at it. I got some likes, which I'm really pleased about, really proud of. I've only got 2 subscribers at the moment, but you know, we've all got to start somewhere. Yeah, I used to live here. It's nice. It's a nice place. I mean, if it's bad weather, you are stuck. Oh, right. That's not very good, is it? That's not very clever. But we squeeze through. And that is why people can't drive properly today. Because of rubbish examiners and instructors. I think I'll turn off, because otherwise we're going to St Just, all the way to St Just. So I'll turn off Meadery. That's anyone from abroad, that's it's a posh restaurant. Oh, I remember coming up here. Oh, the memories. Yeah, Meadery. It's a posh restaurant. I've been a couple of times. It's nice. Ancient cottages. Well, I don't know about that one up there. It looks like that was built a couple of years ago.